skin out same.
Okay.
Okay. This one for you.
Maybe it's t-shirts.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, suka.
Mhm.
Spoon.
Two spoon.
Yeah, two.
Okay.
And then put now inside.
Now? Okay.
Yes. So,
ไปได้หรอวะ
ini so di ini dan ini yang
Little bit.
yeah.
Okay.
First, pumpkin.
Okay. First. Okay. I think maybe some sugar.
Not suka.
Maybe. Okay. Is it okay?
Yes. Yes. You like steam light or sticky light?
Sticky rice.
Sticky light.
Do you like
sticky-
sticky rice or steam rice?
Maybe sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
Yes.
Put in the bowl. Yes. Oh, beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful, delicious.
Wow.
You have recipe.
Crispy.
Quite easy
Wow.
to cook.
Wow. Thank you.
นี่สุดท้ายแล้วที่นี่กินข้าวออกมากันนะครับ looks nice
Thank you. Do you want to try?
oh